Good morning, children. I hope you all are good. Today, I am going to teach you EVS of class 3. In this video, we will continue with the chapter 3, Plants. In our earlier video, we had discussed about different habitats of plants. Can you name them? Yes, these are plains, desert, mountains, coastal areas and water. Children, have you ever thought that why everyone says not to cut plants? Because they do a lot for us. We all depend on plants either directly or indirectly. So, today we will discuss about uses of plants. We know plants are very useful for us. There are many kinds of plants and trees in our surroundings. We enjoy various types of benefits from different types of plants. We get so many things from plants like food, wood, medicines, oil, clothes, etc. Now let's talk about the food that we get from the plants. Most of our food comes from plants. We can eat them raw or cook them before eating. Hello. In food, we also get cereals like wheat, rice, maize, etc. In pulses, we get moong dal, masoor dal, etc. And in vegetables, we get potato, ladyfinger, etc. As you can see in the picture, we get cereals like rice, wheat, maize, barley, etc. And in pulses, we get masoor, moong, chana, urad, etc. And in vegetables, you get so many vegetables like capsicum, potato, ladyfinger, radish, carrot, etc. Food, we also get spices like cardamom, cloves, coriander, etc. We also get oil from plants like mustard, coconuts, sunflower, castor, etc. We also get fruits from plants such as mangoes, apples, etc. As you can see in the picture. Children, have you heard about photosynthesis? The process by which green plants turn carbon dioxide and water into food using energy from sunlight is called photosynthesis. So, in this process, plants give us fresh air to breathe. Living things breathe out carbon dioxide and plants use this gas to make food. We also get medicines from plants. Some plants are used as medicines. Plants like eucalyptus, turmeric, neem, tulsi, ajwain, mint, ginger and lemon etc. are used as medicines. Children, do you know in the Indian system of medicine, the Ayurveda, almost all the medicines are prepared from plants. In this way, plants are very useful for us. We also get perfumes from plants. Sweet smelling flowers like rose, jasmine, lavender and other parts of plants are used in making perfume as you can see in the picture. Children, do you know there are some fruits that are not grown in our country? They are imported from other countries. For example, dragon fruit, kiwi and Chinese cabbage, etc. Apart from that, plants make places look beautiful. Plants with colorful leaves and flowers are grown in the gardens and lawns of houses. Some plants can be grown inside the house or in the verandas. They are called indoor plants. In this way, plants are very useful for us and they provide us so many things. Hope you understood about the uses of plants by this video. Thank you.